In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password easily and securely using the Forgot Password feature on your login screen. Whether you've misplaced your trusty sticky note with all your passwords, or perhaps you've just had a momentary lapse of memory, resetting your password is quick and straightforward. First, when you find yourself at the login screen, take a look at the options available. Among them, you should see a link or button labeled "I forgot my password." This is your starting point. Go ahead and click on it. Now, don't worry. This is a common occurrence, and the process is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. Once you click on the "I forgot my password" link, you'll be directed to a page that will help you reset your password. Here, you'll be prompted to enter either your email address or your phone number associated with your account. This step is crucial because it verifies your identity, ensuring that the reset process is secure and that your account remains protected. After providing your email or phone number, you will need to check your email inbox or your phone for a verification code. If you've chosen email verification, open your email application, whether it's on your phone or computer, and look for a message in your inbox. Sometimes it might land in the spam or junk folder, so if you don't see it right away, check there too. If you opted for phone verification, the message might come as a text message, so keep an eye on your notifications. Once you locate the verification code, return to the password reset page and enter the code into the specified field. This step confirms that you indeed requested the password change and provides an extra layer of security. Now, with your identity confirmed, you'll be prompted to enter a new password. This is your chance to create a strong, memorable password, one that contains a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account extra secure. As you type your new password, some sites might show you how strong or weak your chosen password is. Pay attention to this feedback to ensure your account's safety. Finally, to wrap up the process, confirm your new password by typing it again in the designated field. This helps prevent any typos that might accidentally lock you out of your account once more. After entering your new password twice, submit your changes. You'll likely see a confirmation message that your password has been successfully updated, and that's it. You're now ready to log back into your account with your new password. Keep it safe and maybe consider using a password manager to help you remember all your passwords securely. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. See you next time.